All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Dissolve. 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 Let's try and get a picture. Okay. So like when things, let's say ice cube, maybe. Ice. Here we are. Yeah, so ice cube. So very good. Oh, let's change that. Yeah, from that to this. Yeah. So when something melts, and goes from solid to a liquid. So solid. Oops. Solid. Solid and liquid. Liquid. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So to put something to an end by closing it. So it will dissolve. It will dissolve. The problem will dissolve. It will come to an end. Yeah. Sugar dissolves in water. The ice is dissolving. Yeah, it is melting. Yeah. His ideas just dissolved into nothing. Into nothing, just dissolve, faded away. I think it might dissolve faster under this heat. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They will dissolve the company. Yeah, closing it. Putting an end to it. Yes. This partnership is dissolved. Comes to an end. Yeah. It dissolved last year. Yeah. If you watch it carefully, you can see the ice cube dissolve. Yeah. And slowly melt. Melt. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm dissolving the organization now. So the company will have to be dissolved. If the company will have to be dissolved if we want to save it. How cool is that? Yeah. When will it dissolve? Yeah. When it dissolve? Because it is a very strong metal and nothing is dissolving it. It's strong metal. Nothing's dissolving it. But she thinks she knows an acid that can dissolve it. Turn it from solid to metal. Yeah. Or dissolve the company. To close the company. To put an end to it. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use dissolve in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.